everyone, my name is JPW03. The Lightning win this one 3-1 over the Dallas Stars. Very solid game for the Lightning. Honestly, it could have been worse. Khudobin kept the Stars in the game for a lot of this, but alas, we do get it done. I really liked our game, especially given the fact that the Panthers really beat up. I think it was 7-1 against the Stars like 2 nights ago. You know, we held the Stars down pretty well. I mean, given that circumstance, like, you know they're going to be angry. You know they're going to come at you hard and fast, and you know, I felt like we did a really good job of just holding that down, not letting them get too aggressive, and then when they were being super aggressive, you know, just using our speed to beat them. So not too bad. Let's go ahead and get into the highlights. Now, it would actually be the Stars scoring first. It's going to be Lindell right here. It's just a shot. It's just a weird one. It doesn't hit off of anybody. It hits off the post, though, and goes in. It is a very odd one. It's just like a shot that, I don't know, Vasi sees it, but he doesn't get a piece of it, and it just finds its way through everybody. Oh my gosh, I'm right in the way. 1 second. Okay, take a look at it again without me in the way this time, and yeah, just goes right in off the post. But then the Lightning were pushing really hard once again on the power play last minute of the period. A shot goes wide by Hetty, but Kucherov right to point, and he puts it in top of the net. What a shot by Braden Point right there. The Lightning definitely deserved a goal. I mean, they pushed really hard after that goal by the Stars, and they got rewarded there in the last minute of the first period. Now, the second period didn't warrant any goals, but the Lightning nearly scored what was a absolutely beautiful passing play. I just wanted to show you because of how beautiful it would have been. I can't believe Khudobin robbed us of this beauty. Let's take a look. So last 3 minutes of the second again, really solid second by the Lightning, just all the pressure, all the dominance, and they just get absolutely robbed by Khudobin. You gotta appreciate this passing. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 of the 4 being one-touch passes, and it's right there for Khudobin to just rob the Lightning. I can't believe he got across. I'm still in disbelief. Cooch deserved to score. What can I say? So the Lightning, very solid in the second period. Khudobin standing on his head for much of it. The Stars did have some chances too, but far in between. The Lightning were definitely the better team in that second. But then going to the third, the Lightning would really continue that very good pressure from us, and then we would get rewarded with this. So still tied halfway through the period. It's gonna hit off a foot, and Kucherov with a dime of a pass sneaks it right through 2 defenders, and what a shot by Ross Colton. Kind of that stutter step, and then puts it in off the crossbar and in. The goal is beautiful. The pass is somehow even more beautiful, but everything about that play is just a perfection. I mean, what can you say? What a pass, splits the defenders, and boom, right off of the crossbar from Colton. And that makes it 2-1 Bolts. I really liked what I saw. The fact that the Lightning really just shut it down after that. Certainly they had some pressure, the Stars. I mean, they're pushing to tie the game, but the Lightning didn't give them anything super dangerous. And now with under a minute left, Killorn is going to put in the extra work to get rewarded with an empty net goal right there, making it 3-1. And that would be your final tonight. 3-1 over the Dallas Stars. Again, very solid game from the Lightning. Again, I'm saying that because I'm very much impressed. Again, the Dallas Stars got beat 7-1 by the Panthers just 2 nights ago. That was their grade A, best of the best effort that they're going to give, especially after being embarrassed. And yeah, I mean, that's it. The Lightning get it done. As always, let me know your thoughts about this game down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like on the video, as that helps out a lot. And subscribe if you're new, as we are trying to hit 17,500 subscribers. Let's get it done. Thank you so much. And as always, go Bolts.